morning, students. Students, as you know, our most favorite festival, that is Diwali, is around the corner. And so everyone might be very excited, and the excitement is quite natural. And we all, whether children or adults, look forward to wonderful festival with a lot of curiosity. Students, do you know why do we celebrate Diwali? We celebrate Diwali because it is the festival of lights. This festival is celebrated to honor Lord Rama. It is believed that on this day, Rama returned to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile, during which he killed the demon Ravana, who was the king of Lanka. This is an occasion to celebrate victory over defeat, light over darkness, awareness over ignorance. Students, as we celebrate Diwali by lighting diyas, decorating homes, exchanging gifts, burning firecrackers, etc. But we are forgetting that the burning of firecrackers is polluting the environment. Though Diwali is a festival of lights, symbolizing triumph of good over evil, today, like many other festivals, Diwali has become a festival of noise and pollution. Something common to the festival of lights all over the country is firecrackers. The rockets illuminating the skies with multicolored bursts, the noisy sizzle, the fiery chakris, ear deafening bombs, and dazzling fuljaris, etc. So, students, we must try to curb this pollution. We should do all those activities to celebrate Diwali which cause no pollution. Let's celebrate this year eco friendly Diwali and say no to pollution. Students, what is eco friendly Diwali? It means no harm to the environment. We should not cause any kind of pollution to the environment. Here are some tips that we can follow to celebrate eco friendly Diwali. It is the dire need to celebrate Diwali and other festivals without causing pollutions. I'm going to share with you some of the tips for an eco-friendly Diwali. So, use clay diyas instead of plastic lights. So, students, as the government also has banned these plastic things, and we must avoid all the plastic diyas or plastic lights, and instead of plastic lights we must use clay diyas. Use original flowers instead of opting plastic flowers. So for the decoration purpose we should use only original flowers, not plastic flowers. Make rangoli using flowers or rice powder or natural colors. We have to make rangoli but by using natural colors. Make homemade sweets. So you should not purchase sweets from the market and use homemade sweets. Use reusable plates, palanquin leaf to serve food for guests. Give handmade cards and gifts. You have to give cards and gifts to your relatives or friends. You can make these cards and gifts at home. Indoor plants or tree saplings can be gifted. You can gift a plant also. Use paper bags for gifting. So don't use polythene, and you can use paper bags. Remember to carry your own bags while shopping. If you go for shopping, take carry bag from your home which is made of it may be of jute or some other uh, cloth. Cut down the use of fireworks to reduce pollution. So, minimize the use of fireworks to reduce this pollution. We can donate food, clothes, and books to the needy involving kids. In this way, we can make a difference and spread happiness. Here are some of the tips to enjoy a safe Diwali. Some things we must do and something we must not do. And here are the tips I'm going to share. Always light firecrackers under adult supervision and in open areas away from home. If you can't keep yourself away from these firecrackers, you should use eco friendly firecrackers. And if you are using others, minimize the quantity. And if you want to lit these firecrackers, go with some elder person, maybe with your parents or grandparents or with your elder brothers or sisters, and don't light these firecrackers inside the homes. Go to an open area for this purpose. It is not safe to relight a firecracker that did not ignite the first time. Sometimes you light a firecracker and it does not catch fire immediately. And don't do experiments with that firecrackers. If it does not catch fire, then leave it. Keep a safe distance while lighting firecrackers. It is unsafe to light a firecracker in your hand. Never light firecracker in hand. It may cause harm to your hands. Then wear fitted cotton clothes. Always wear cotton clothes and they must be fitted. Don't wear loose clothes. And these fitted cotton clothes, they do not catch fire easily when lighting firecrackers. Keep a bucket of sand or water nearby when lighting firecrackers in case there is a fire. You must be very careful, but by mistake, there is any fire, or in case any fire, you may keep a bucket of sand or water nearby. Last but not the least, have fun with your friends without hurting the environment. Students, you enjoy your Diwali, you celebrate your Diwali with your friends and uh, have fun, but don't forget that you have to celebrate it eco friendly. You don't have to make this environment polluted. So, enjoy eco friendly and safe Diwali. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali. Thank you.